ba pagka meron tayong mga kaibigan, hindi ko sinasabi sa simbahan o kahit sa labas man, na nagkaroon ng karamdaman o ng COVID, nagkakaroon sila ng stigma sa labas na kung ano yung masasabi ng ibang tao. Sinasabi nila, siguro this man, siguro murderer to, makasalanan to kasi nakaligtas nga dun sa shipwreck, nakagat naman ng ahas. Malas talaga eh. Malas siguro niyan. Siguro pinaparusahan yan. But you know what Paul did? He shook it off. He shook it off. Yung snake, tumalsik, nalagay sa apoy, he shook it off. Because the haters gonna hate. And the players gonna play. Sabi ni Taylor Swift. But shake it off. Ano yung ibig sabihin nun? He shook it off. Whatever the people are telling him, hindi siya nakikinig. He knows he's been in constant communication with the Lord. Once he got struck by that viper, nananalangin na siya. Lord, I know you're giving me rest. I'm not worried about this. I know you have told me that I have to face Caesar and I will not die in a shipwreck. I will not die in a viper. I will not die today. We are not stuck in death. We are in strategy. We keep on fighting. Ano man sabihin ng mga tao, we will shake it off for the glory of the Lord. Kaya tayo, na nandito ngayon sa midweek, lahat tayo ang nagpapalakas sa isa't isa. We Christians, tayo pong mga miyembro ng PIC. Alam nyo, sa trabaho ko, ibig sabihin ng PIC, Pilot in Command, Pamplona Yemelif Church, we are in strategy. We are in strategy of strengthening each other every midweek, and it's very important dahil during the midweek, that's when the viper would struck you. That's when Satan would give you something to be worried about. Sa kalagitnaan ng week na maayos, diyan ka niya biglang kakagatin. Pag tumutulong ka, doon ka pa kakagatin. Pagka nagpapahinga ka, doon ka pa kakagatin, doon ka pa bibigyan ng problema. So, kailan tayong mag-iisip ng pagpapalakas o tatanggalin natin negativity ng iniisip natin kung ano masabihin ng iba? Every time they would tell something na hindi nararapat o nakakatulong in our spiritual life, we shake it off. We shook it off. Kasi bakit? Dahil dun sa next verse. Dahil sa next verse, sabi, the people expected him to swell up or suddenly fall dead. But after waiting for a long time, seeing nothing unusual happen to him, they changed their minds and said he was God. Ibig sabihin ho, napaka-inconsistent ng judgment ng tao. We would never rely on that. Mabilis magbago ang judgment at tingin sa atin ng isang tao. Whatever we are doing, if we are doing it for the glory of the Lord, kahit ano pang sabihin nila, we continue doing it. Hindi tayo may stuck kung ano man ang sabihin nilang negative sa atin. They thought Jesus was stuck on the cross. No, it's a strategy for him to conquer death. They thought Jesus was stuck on death. No, it was a strategy for him to give us victory and life. They thought Jesus was bleeding for pain and suffering. Jesus was bleeding for Christians. It was not a stuck situation. It was strategical. It was Jesus. It was his plan. He is the life, the way, the truth, the Alpha, the Omega,